मैं चालू कर दूँ
ठीक है, हो गया, मैं प्लीज मैं कोशिश
to when you go back to those early days, when we started, and because technology has to be at the forefront. So the earliest website, etc., etc. So when we were only 3-4 people, and so I used to take care of the technology part of it. And when it became, when we needed more, then we hired one external agency, and I used to handle. These are early days when the organization became 98, 99, over 40, 45 people. Then Satya, GP, and Shuku and all said that you're good with people, so you take care of technology and HR. And so we were only 3-4 of us. We used to run around for all classes and all those things. And when Satya broke the news that Suzy is coming to India and he's going to be our tech head, and I was the most happiest. Because unlike me, Suzy is a complete hands-on guy. I ran away because I worked for 4 years in TCS. I ran away from coding because I hated sitting in front of a computer for long. So Suzy came in 2000, and you all know the journey. Thanks, Suzy, for coming. It's been an amazing journey in terms of how Suzy, you transformed the technology space of CL at the cutting edge that we're all in, and also the HR thing that you took and made a huge difference. And apart from that, because as a family, we were also very close. We used to live very close in Secretariat for almost a decade, more than a decade. And our daughter Malika and Niku, they have grown together since childhood. So even now they're all pals over the phone every day. They know what's happening here, what's happening there. So it's been an amazing journey, and I also see a journey ahead, because we're doing a lot of work in Africa, and that's centered around data science and AI to begin with. So I told Suzy that I'm going to, because he's moving in that space of data science and AI, so I'm not going to let him go off. So he's always going to be on the radar. And in the process, lot of trips to Africa, to the jungles of Masai Mara and so on. I was suggesting Suzy that now that Niku is on her own, and a lot of projects will be consulting projects you can do from anywhere. And I was telling him just now that Nairobi temperature is only between 15 and 25. So you can actually come there, and I already decided that एक बेडरूम अपार्टमेंट में देखी है।
2-3 बेडरूम नहीं, 2 कमरे का देखो उसे।
2 कमरे मतलब जितना अपार्टमेंट चाहिए उतना दे दूंगा। So quickly landed. So it's been wonderful, and I look forward to, because the journey of data science and AI is going to be very exciting us, and you were left, and I will be your Shishya, because now I'm realizing more and more data science AI. Already we have done 3 data science AI sessions with about 45 plus CXOs and teams doing. So now I also want to step in. So I'll be your Shishya for the next decade or so.
I came for a few hugs and free food and supposed to speak. So feeling kind of exactly lunch.
But you have to bring your lunch.
And the dessert too. Yeah, so here I go. I had heard about the entire C-wing, D-wing, क्या कहते थे आप लोग को?
D-wing.
The D wing and the entire
D-wing.
D-wing.
So I knew most of the people by name, and Susie was one name that came up quite often. And I remember Sujit and Mo coming to Delhi, and Satya telling me that आज वो दोनों आ रहे हैं तो dinner पे घर लेके आता हूँ because I want to bring them over for dinner. So they came home and after that they've been home and I've been in their home from that day on. I remember all those shopping to find their curtains, finding so many things together. And anyway, work related, I'm not. But one day I called at the office. This is the time when we did not have mobile phones. And I called up and the guard asked me, किससे बात करना है? और मैंने कहा सूजी से. There was silence and he said, आप इज्जत से नाम लीजिए. हमारे बड़े साहब हैं. So then I stuttered. I said, I'm really sorry. Then I'm trying to remember what is Susie's name. Because Mo was not in town and here, and there were 2 free passes to go to a concert, and I really wanted Sujit to come. It was in half an hour's time or something like that. And I remember going to some, and Sujit actually is a foodie. So I remember those earlier days, exchanging recipes with Mo and Sujit. Both of them cook so well. And it's continued with Mo in a bigger way, but Sujit used to always tell me, इसमें थोड़ा सा ना वो डालना चाहिए, उसमें थोड़ा वो डालना चाहिए. So he's a foodie, and I knew nothing about the Grateful Dead, and he brought a whole new kind of music, jazz and other things. So he used to talk about it, and I used to find the cassettes and listen. कि ये होता क्या चीज़ है? क्योंकि he was very passionate about it. My daughters call him Misho, so he's the Mausaji. By the way, not Tayaji of the children, he's the Mausaji of the children. So merger and acquisition, I always go for acquisition. So the elder one got to know about it today, and she's in a very bad mood, very, very bad mood. The younger one told me, I used to like him. I said, what do you mean? So as I look, when we were shifting to Sarita Vihar, my mother-in-law called up and said that, today is not a good day to shift, but we were already on our way. So I said, no problem. I told Mo, kal acha din hai. She says, aaja ghar pe bangan pade hain. So I remember just landing at their place with a child and shifting early next morning to our own home. So a lot of memories, and Sujit is like an Aryan. Very tough, I think, on the outside and very soft inside. Thankfully, I've only seen the soft side. I remember all the tech team and Dave and Vishal and all of us. Mo used to cook food and all of us used to go and endless partying. By the way, the only person for whom I've carried a bottle of Johnny Walker ever. I was in Dubai airport and he called up and said that Johnny Walker leke aa jayegi, and if you knew me through college and school, this was a big deal. And I said, of course, and I carried it in my handbag.
This I did not know.
I forgot him this story.
मौसाजी है घर की बात है.
So I said, can I carry something? He said, Johnny Walker.
अच्छा पूछा था तुमने.
So it was biryani for GP. He used to come to the airport if I carried Paradise ki biryani for him. And I was landing at Sujit's place and मैंने पूछा था क्या लेके आऊँ? He said, Johnny Walker. मुझे तो पता नहीं था कि बोतल कैसे दिखती है. So thanks for being in our life, and we continue to be. So I was telling Malika, you have 2 homes now, one in this city, one in another city.
No, they are Nico and Malik also planning. एक बार शिफ्ट हो जाएगी, गुड़गांव को पास में रहेगा. Thank you.
No, there's a child. Full of child.
Susie was to come.